Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my finished office tour. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Back earlier this year, I rented an office space for ESSBE and I shared kind of the new office and some renovations that we did, but we are finally pretty much done. There's still some decor things that I'd like to do, but I don't know when I'm gonna get to them because I've got a little baby that I'm wearing right now it's as done as it's gonna get for now. So I figured now would be a really good time to show you guys what the office looks like. I will link every single thing that I can down below in the description box for you if you're interested in any of those pieces. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It looks so different than it did when we moved in, and just some wallpaper, some paint, some new fixtures, and we're good to go. So let me show you around. I also took some footage from the last video to now of just things that I've worked on. Most of the footage is from when I'm pregnant because I haven't really done much in here except add a few more furniture pieces since having Theo. So I'm gonna insert those clips now. I'm wearing Theo right now. Look at his little hand. He's so cute. He's sleeping in there, just snoozing away while I work and film this video. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been a while since I've done an update here, which you don't know because obviously this is all the same video, but I figured I would share a couple of new items that I got today for the office. The first one is this plant. I got a couple of fake plants. I was actually planning on getting real plants, but since I will be taking a little bit of time off once my little guy is born, I didn't want to put something else on Jenna to try and keep plants alive on top of doing her job. So since I won't be here all the time, I wanted to just get some fake plants to add some greenery here. So this is the first one. The pot is really nice. And I like that it's nice and tall. And then this is the second plant. Again, this one has a lot of volume to it. And I just love how vibrant it is. Again, it's got like a nice clean vase. And then I got a rug, which I'm hoping that is big enough. I kind of have a feeling it's not going to be, but we're gonna try it out anyway. So I will turn you guys around and we can roll out the rug together. I just need to get one more for that little spot over there, but I think that looks so cute. This is how it's looking. I really love the rug. I'm just trying to decide if I need it to be bigger. We're gonna do like try on hauls and stuff, so I want the rug to be here obviously. And I like that it will soak up some of the echoing. And then the plant stand, so cute. When you walk in the front door, this is what you see. Over here, we've got our plants, which I love this little plant stand. And then all three of the plants are faux, just because we're not here every single day. And then we've got these two chairs, just like a little sitting area. And also we have our cactus, which sits right in the windowsill. And then this area is our try-on area. I've got Theo on me right now. But yeah, this is where we do a lot of the try-ons for stories. And we've got this rug, which I absolutely love. It's a really big, oversized rug. On the opposite side of the rug, we have two clothing racks. One of them obviously has nothing. A lot of times we style these for reels, but we just have some of our pieces on the rack right now. And then we can just grab them or show them. We've got a bunch of accessories so that we can style them and show people how they are styled. But yes, absolutely love this little corner. And then there is this half wall. You guys probably saw before that we had two half walls. but there's a table there now. We took that half wall out and repaired everything. So we still have this one half wall, and we have 2 desks over here, which the table legs were made by my dad. And then the tabletops are IKEA. We've got 2 different chairs. My dad also made us this neon sign, which I am absolutely obsessed with. And then this is our acrylic calendar. So this is kind of our little workspace. This is the perfect little work corner. And then on this side, we have our big work table, which this is really good for packaging products, and then our shelving behind that. So we have this little side table, and this has all of our shipping supplies on it, where we do all of the labels, and then our package inserts, our stickers, all of that. And then we just have this really large work surface. And underneath here, we have all of our packaging. So we have all the mailers, and we have like the tissue paper. I love this custom tissue. And then just all of our poly mailers and our pink mailers. This side is not as organized as I wish it was, but it is what it is right now. So on top, we've got those pink bins with a bunch of just extra packaging, stickers, a bunch of stuff. And then underneath, we have some of our clothing pieces, and then we have our jewelry inventory. So we do have another closet, but this is, you know, some of our clothing. And then all of our jewelry is in these acrylic containers. And I'm actually working on redoing all of this inventory so it's a little cleaner. But for now, this is what we have. The bottom, again, is just some like metallic bubble mailers, and then just more supplies. And this is the bathroom. We really haven't done a ton in here, minus the wallpaper. And we painted, but I love how this wallpaper wall turned out. I think it is so gorgeous. And then we did paint. We also did put this little cabinet in, which has all of our cleaning supplies and stuff like that. But I haven't styled the top of it quite yet, but I will definitely get around to that. Alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed coming around to my new finished office with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.